Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy, I am tidying in my living room, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Why am I putting on my makeup? Because I am getting in costume, because guess what? Today is not only Tiny Tidy Tuesday, but it is also October 31st, and a lot of people like to dress up on October 31st. And so Joy from Organized with Joy, she's another tiny tidier, she came up with this idea to dress up as we tidy. So today's Tiny Tidy is actually hosted by my sweet friend Organized with Joy and by Sunday Dawn, as always, and it's co-hosted by my sweet friend So Kate. This is kind of like a crossover collab. So some of the Tiny Tidy team will be doing just a regular Tiny Tidy, and some of the Tiny Tidy team will be dressed up doing their Tiny Tidies. And we will have some people on the Halloween dress up playlist that are not on the Tiny Tidy team, and some people in the Tiny Tidy team that are not normally on the Tiny Tidy team, that they're going to be doing a Tiny Tidy. I hope all of that makes sense. Because as I describe it, I'm like, maybe that doesn't make sense. Basically, I'm going to have two playlists in my description box below. You'll want to check it out. One playlist will be the regular Tiny Tidy playlist for today, and the second playlist will be the dress up Tiny Tidy for today. And you can watch both playlists if you want. There will be a lot of repeats on both playlists, or you can just choose one or choose the other. It is completely and totally up to you, but it's Halloween, so we wanted to bring you guys something a little special. And Joy came up with the idea of dressing up. And I cannot wait for you guys to meet Kate, because she is a dear friend of mine. And if you have been on my channel for any length of time, you already know Kate. So anyway, before I do that Tiny Tidy, as I'm putting on my makeup, I do just want to give you a clue of what I'm dressing up like today. Not a huge costume, but this is going to be my necklace for today. So it's like pink ribbons. So that's my first little clue. I also want to tell you guys that I know I've been like a little MIA. I have, kind of taken a little step back from doing my 100 days to a cleaner home. I did not do a Tiny Tidy last week. I have not posted in like 2 weeks. And I'm so excited because soon I'm going to share with you guys what I've been working on behind the scenes. Yeah, and so in all of my videos this week, I'm going to be leaving a little clue. So when I am in my costume, well, as I am, I didn't technically buy a costume. I used something I already have. So as I'm tiny tidying in my living room today, I'm also dropping a clue of a project that I am working on. So if you guys want to try to guess in the comments, you can. It's not going to be a very obvious clue. My clues, I'm going to do a Thoughtful Thursday this week. And I'm going to do a 10 minutes better this week. So I'll have a total of 3 videos this week. So my other clues may be a little bit bolder than my clue in this video. But anyway, what are we waiting on? It's time to do a Tiny Tidy. So I'm going to finish putting on my costume, makeup, and I will meet you in my living room. When I decided that I wanted to dress like Barbie, I immediately went to Amazon and began searching for a costume. And then I realized that Barbie can wear and be anything that Barbie wants to be. As a child, when I played with Barbies, I could dress them in a variety of different outfits. My Barbies could be athletic. My Barbies could dance. My Barbies could be homemakers. Whatever I wanted my Barbies to do, they could do. And I had clothes that I could dress them in. And so I thought, why not be like Barbie and be authentically myself? And I did want to put on a pink dress to symbolize Barbie, but I love this dress, and it is a dress that came out of my closet. And I'm also cleaning in sparkly heels, and I love sparkly shoes. So growing up, Barbie taught me many things, and one of the many things that Barbie taught me is that I can be authentically myself, and I can be proud of who I am.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. The best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, Feel your Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. Dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Can't get enough. I'm so done with, done with. I'm so done with, done with. Oh, I'm so done with, done with. I got time to solo. I got time to solo. I'm so done with it. Each and week. I'm so done with it. Each and week. I'm so done with it. I'm so done with it. Each and week. I'm so done with it. Each and week. I'm so done with it. Each and week. 'Cause I'm so done with it. Each and week. I'm so each and week. I'm so done.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It means so much to me that you take valuable time from your day to spend part of it with me. As always, I want to thank Sunday Dawn for putting this playlist together. Please check out her channel, The Helpful Home, along with the rest of the Tiny Tidy team to see what they are tidying today. Also check out Joy and Kate's channel. You can check out some Halloween videos from that playlist as well. And I will see you next Tuesday for a regular Tiny Tidy. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.